Kurobo songo goika moja na kurosugusu goika irianye amonese engima ano ka okonyora
amangana amaye ayabene kurwa abagusi Global Radio engata ya mwanyagetingerega amato tukumanye
na gusubiri umwanjwa umuriri w'TV yetu ya AGR News Kenya na kwarigandia samana majia asenjira yowe kenu asamaleta fideli so mingo mtoe kolenti anda kumanya asenjira yowe ya tutia umujumbe okiharu na waigo umujumbe okandara Alice Wahome na Ndidi Nyoro anigo batutelero chika komo inspector manda wanyimbo hira mchambai yuko ila wika aseketokia wanyimbo kose kubeko biara Chiamate chabantu babere barabanya kwa basiria magimamo ime county ya Murang'a hani wataete awaene gokorwa umurai bweke makiao ni Raila Amolo Odinga nigaburire serikali gutenya chikambeni chichigana roteme yense ya Kenya na boigo barasa ya bagabana nigo ya baserero chukututira rama chikama ya bekire yo borigiri ya ne kameliye cha ya ko yense ya Kenya ayo amona yana mango manchwa umuriri bw'TV ya AGR News Kenya tegama turaboigo amaiso nyakwa ngokoratira asinjirire ngirma samaleta Fidelis Omingo Mochoge umujumbe Ndindi Nyoro na boigo Alice Wahome nigo banyakwa tutira rochika kwanyakwa kurwegwa amono mu inspector munene bobanyimbo hira mutamai abuna babira bo banyakwa kubekwa byara wasebora bwa banyene ko ira bwika asegeteseni kyabanyanyimbo babira bo nigo bona bategeruna tibarara magosabo bwikira bono nabo yo tubakanya ko babako ira bwika asegeteseni kyabanyanyimbo maiga mu inspector munene bobanyimbo hira mutamai gochika buna abanyakwa bakwira bwika asegeteseni kyabanyanyimbo abo babere nigo bwatarandie amona mocho yobo segeta segi abase county ya Murang'a litikolia Jumapili maya yomo kwa nyumo Raibwen Somoski William Samuel Ruto utalera ase county hiyo
those Twitter accounts and I want to tell Matiangi Kenoti Mutiabai and huyo mwingine anaitwa Kebisho I am busy my friends I have no time to come and record statements
pen heshima muache fujo allow democracy to thrive.
Chiamate chabantu babere barabanya kwa basiria magimabo litikolia Jumapili me county ya Murang'a anigo bono babolire serikali gotukenga niyo nabo igokona kebuna barabanya kwa kwena na bosose yokoko asogo itwa kwa bantu babo abo babere yamate yo bono nigo batebere buna anigo serikali bende gotukenga ni mono nabo igo barabanya kwa kwata ni wase ogoitwa kwa babere babo banya kwa babo mukali witamukirege ndikore namo nelichiko
Toka saa hii tunaongea na sina brother mwingine. Na unaona wazazi wangu saa hizi ni wazo sikojei mwingine. Sasa ndio tulikuwa na tegemea.
Tulipigiwa simu na hospitali tukaambiwa Christopher amepelekwa huko Hosi akiwa ina critical condition. Alikuwa ameumia sana. Tukaambiwa tuende ndio tupige signature apelekwe Kenyatta.
Umurai bweke magiaudi Raila Odinga nigo asentunda yendeso kina utubabuna anigo serikali bwete utangari molyoka achikambeni chino tobrekana imeyense ya Kenya ose achinsemo aba imeyense ya Kenya Raila Odinga niga teberuna chikambeni echo nigo chikureta bwetana kwebisaku nabo bwetira kwa maninga ase aba Kenya Kulende asensemo yende ya barai barba moko moko Raibwen Somoski William Samuel Ruto anigo bategeruna serikali nigo tumia abanyanyimbobe eliyo kumunele mokonyi Raibwen Somoski William Samuel Ruto.
This kind of mobilization, this idea of calling youth and telling them that they are different from the rest of Kenyan, that they are the hustlers and others are dynasties. Who is a dynasty? I'm not a dynasty.
You cannot be the basis of violence in this country. You should not invite people who are coming to cause violence to the mosque, to the churches. Even God will not accept your prayers. Which God is that listens to violence, prayers and violence? Which God is that? It's not the God I worship myself.
He talked about creating 1 million jobs for the people of this country. I want to believe he never talked about wheelbarrows to be part of those 1 million jobs. In any event, he has only bought 5 wheelbarrows and 5 mkokoteni.
There are people intent and people in government intent on balkanizing this country into tribal and ethnic conclaves. and particularly Central Kenya or the Mount Kenya region.
Campaign bado na mtu asifikirie kwamba kuna maneno yoyote ya kufanya campaign. Sisi wakati ile campaign itaanza hapa kutawaka kivu.
Ebarasa yabagabana nigo yagosereye bachiko tukutirara machiko ayabekwa abuna enchereyemo yogotenere kemerige chaimeyense ya Kenya bagabana ngo nigo bateruna machika yanyarako bakagwetikwa nigo arimo mincha yerichiko nabo igo nabarati kunyarako bakuyatukutirara ale mdogi njoki go semdogi njoki aniga teberuna bagabana ngo anigo bakanda machika yina batubuna wikere ni kwena kunyarako bakakuligirirwa ase enchera yoboime mono.
Council of Governors has resolved to file a case in court to stop this illegal and unconstitutional process should it proceed. We also note that the Ministry of Agriculture has put in place a tea reform committee that does not have a representation of the county governments who are in charge of this function.
It is a coup being carried out by the ministry, against the county government as far as the tea reforms are concerned.
And make it deliver. I hear some voices saying we should scrap KTDA. We scrapped KPCU. We know where our coffee farmers are.
Kero tukuligeria asiribo bichigosori amona bagosoria umwanjwa umuligeria achingaki ense ya Kenya agendete kuganya kuigurwa bichigosori mense ya Kenya anigo koira ye mase ya moika asichigosori cha English Premier League se EPL maiga ye timu ya Liverpool kwa chigori samebere asibira mona timu ya Aston Villa abachotereri be timu ya Ibono nigo bateruna mama yetu nalingendete ase timu ya Liverpool achingaki echo timu ya Manchester United anigo agendete kolera mayo wakwa bobe amone timu ya Tottenham ase Tottenham yanyako ko yakachigori samreyemo ase egori eyemo goikachinga kichinde omwanjwa omunigeli gwetiviete ya AGR News Kenya asamarita Fidelis Omingo Mochoge
ayu naro amaya atekire ntogendere okumanyia amange korwa AGR ekeumbu kyomugusi
Abagusi Global Radio Masemi